extra days. I know that it's just time passing me by. Fine, can't help but wish I could still be childish. 'Cause now life's got me so stressed. Just wanna play on my DS. No way of knowing what comes next. Just wanna be childish. I'm still learning how to live as an adult person. Little me put in.
I've been having mental breaks along with breakdowns ever since that day that you went and told me how it's just another game. How are you so cynical? I didn't know that you were just like them. When I look around me, everything is all the same. I won't ever let this go. Wait until the final show, where I'm shedding all my clothes. Come and see me head to toe. Haven't been awake this long, but I'd rather just be gone. I'll need another wake up call or something that'll keep me moving on. I might try your meditation. Maybe that'll rid of all the stress. And come and see how everything just circles in the end. I don't know how to tell you this, but the situation's getting really weird for me. Just text, don't call, stop, feel